Hi everyone, it's Dave from Medit. In this video we're going to take a closer look at the three trimming tools. Let's take a look. Okay, so we've got our data on the screen here in Medit Scan for Clinics. So if we click on these are the three trimming tools up here. We've got polyline trimming tool, we've got brush trimming, and we've got quick trimming. Okay, so if we click on the first one, this allows you to hold down the left mouse button, drag around and select an area, let go and right click, and it will delete it. Okay. Now this one is like, imagine it like a cookie cutter. So if we do it on this view here, it's going to take everything from this side of the scan and the other side of the scan. Okay. If we just undo those. If we look at the paintbrush tool, so you can select various sizes down here. The paintbrush tool does exactly what it says, is if you paint on the area that you want to delete, it will delete it, but it only acts on the front surface, not any surfaces behind it. So to illustrate that, if we just select an area here, we can see it hasn't gone all the way through, it hasn't taken the front face of that tooth off there. Okay. So remember, the polyline trimming tool is like a cookie cutter. It goes through everything that you select, and the brush trimming tool just selects the deletes the front surface. Okay, let's just do that. Okay, so the final tool up here is this one, the quick trimming. So if we click on it, sometimes you get like what I call these stranded islands of data. Okay, so this is a big example here, but it allows you just to click on an isolated piece of data and it will delete it. Okay, so usually if we go back to the paintbrush, you might have little stray pieces of data here and there. Maybe not quite like that, but you get my point. You might little bits here and there. You can just click on the quick trimming tool and just click on them and it will delete them. Okay, so once we've that's one way of trimming. So you can trim here. This is probably the best way to do it in the actual Medit Scan for Clinic software. You can also trim actually in the in Medit Link. Sorry, this icon down here allows you to do some trimming. That's the live case we're working on. So let me just select a different one, and we will go to here. So you can select which model you want to work on. So if we select this model here, and again we've got the polyline selection and the paintbrush here. Interestingly, I don't think you have you don't have the smart selected the quick trimming tool in here where you can delete the individual islands of isolated data. But yeah, just like before, drag around with the right mouse button, right click, and then this time we need to hit the delete key. So we hit the right mouse button, and then we can hit the delete key there. Okay. Again, we can undo, and we can use the paintbrush. Okay, and it'll delete everything we've selected. And we can click save, and then we can work on another model if we want to. Okay. I hope that helps a few people out. If you have any more questions, don't forget to go to medimatch.co.uk for any Medit scanning questions and needs. Thanks for watching.